Hi, Dr. Friedrichs with the Wellness Group of Well Consulted. Now, the recipe for wellness or the recipe for beauty, health, and wellness, it can be very simplistically discussed. You either feed the good bacteria and starve the bad bacteria. That's going to create a healthy balance of microbiome in the gut. So the secret recipe to health and wellness can be very simple. It is to restore normal balance of the microbiome. And that means we feed the good bacteria and we starve the bad bacteria. It's that simple. Now, in the big picture, there's a lot to it. There's a lot of things that contribute to feeding bad bacteria. There's a lot of things that we can do that encourage the production and duplication of good bacteria. That's what we do. We figure that out. But the key is understanding the recipe to wellness in a simplistic form. Feed the good bacteria and starve the bad bacteria. Balance the microbiome of your gut lining. Everything works better. It's that easy. Just kind of, right? We wish it was that easy, but it is. There's a lot to it. I'd love to help you. Have a great day.